Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting retro-modern pickups to hit the market, the 2026 Ford F-100 4x4. This is where vintage charm meets cutting-edge technology, and Ford has pulled out all the stops to revive a legendary nameplate with a bold new twist. At first glance, the 2026 F-100 pays a powerful tribute to the original model from the 1970s. It retains that classic boxy silhouette, but everything about it is sharper, bolder, and far more muscular. The front fascia is a standout feature, with a wide, matte black grille that proudly displays the Ford lettering, a nod to its roots. LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the rectangular frame, giving the truck a futuristic look without compromising its retro identity. Massive flared wheel arches, squared-off lines, and a high stance make it clear this F-100 isn't just for show. This truck means business. It sits on 18-inch off-road wheels as standard, with optional 20-inch beadlock-ready alloys for serious trail enthusiasts. The raised suspension, skid plates, and aggressive approach angles ensure it can handle tough terrain while still looking right at home in an urban setting. The side profile features clean lines and squared windows that harken back to its vintage predecessor, but everything is modernized. Flush door handles, power retractable side steps, and rugged fender cladding all contribute to a design that's both tough and tech-savvy. Around the back, the tailgate is embossed with F-100 lettering, and you'll find LED taillights wrapped in a heritage-style housing. The bed is lined, modular, and equipped with multiple power outlets, ready for both work and weekend adventures. Slip inside, and the F-100 continues to impress. The cabin is a blend of utilitarian toughness and upscale refinement. There's a no-nonsense layout to the dashboard, but it's loaded with tech. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster is paired with a vertically mounted 13-inch infotainment screen running Ford's latest sync system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are all standard. The interior materials strike a balance between rugged and refined. Durable leatherette with contrast stitching, rubberized flooring, and metallic trim that gives off a sturdy, industrial vibe. Seating is spacious and supportive, with ample legroom in both rows. There's also a clever use of storage, including under-seat bins and fold-flat rear seating for added utility. Ford has clearly designed the cabin to be both comfortable and ready for action. Now let's talk performance, because the 2026 F-100 4x4 is not just about looks. Under the hood, you get a choice between two powertrains. The standard setup is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, producing around 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. But for those craving even more grunt, there's a hybrid variant combining that same V6 with an electric motor for a combined output of 480 horsepower and nearly 600 lb-ft of torque. Both versions come with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a full-time four-wheel drive system. Off-road modes, hill descent control, and an electronically locking rear differential are all part of the package. The result? This truck doesn't just look tough, it is tough. It can tow over 11,000 pounds, haul serious payloads, and still offer a smooth, composed ride on the highway. Fuel efficiency is respectable thanks to start-stop technology and the hybrid powertrain, giving you the performance of a V8 with the economy of a six-cylinder. And despite all its off-road prowess, the F-100 is surprisingly nimble around town, with responsive steering and excellent visibility. Ford has successfully breathed new life into a classic with the 2026 F-100 4x4. It's bold, capable, and full of character. A pickup that honors its heritage while embracing the future. Thanks for watching Speed Zone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest automotive legends.